What are you doing?
I'm doing delivery of your food.
I think you'll find that was an hour ago.
Oh, actually, I have six other deliveries to do, so that's why it's late. But it's in a heated bag. I have the heated
There,
bag.
there is no heated bag on this planet that will keep my food warm. I'm not having it.
No,
I'm
that's
not having it.
why. That's okay.
No, no.
It's good to heat.
I rang an hour ago. I expected the delivery an hour ago, piping hot. You understand me? Hot.
Oh, you can just microwave it for a minute. That will be piping hot.
Oh, you are joking.
No,
You're
you
joking.
can get microwave your tenders.
I haven't got a
it would be
microwave.
good.
Ha! I haven't got a microwave.
So you can just drop it on the pan for a minute.
No, I'm not having it. You can take it back.
Oh,
Take it back to the van.
actually, what I have to do is take some orders from the different shops and deliver it into the same time. I have like one here, one here, like one in LU1, one in LU2, or one in LU3. So that's why I'm gonna late. So it's the company policy. So I have six other stops before here.
No, I ring up. I put my order in. You bring it here straight away. Not an hour.
Oh, actually, I'm delivering serial wise. You're on the sixth on the list. So that's why.
I don't care. I don't care.
So it's the company policy, ma'am. Deliver serial wise,
Well,
like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you're on the sixth.
I hear
So
what
that's
you're
why
saying.
it's taken off.
Take it back. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. That's going to be cold. There's
No,
nothing.
no.
There's nothing that will keep warm in that bag for all this time. An
No,
hour.
it's
An hour.
a hot bag. It can.
No.
You just need to do it in a microwave for 30 seconds, at least just less than 30 seconds. It's gonna be piping hot.
Look at my lips. Take it away. Take it away. I'm not having it. I'm not having it. I'm not ordering from you again.
That's so rude.
I don't care.
Oh,
I don't care.
you should take it and give a review on the app, so that we can
Oh, don't worry about that. Don't worry about that.
give a review and
I'll give it about you.
suggestion on the app.
I'll give a review about you as well. Just standing there and trying to get away with dropping food to me an hour.
No, that's not my fault. It's company's fault, ma'am. I have six other deliveries, so I have to deliver it serial wise, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's your sixth on the list, sixth on the number. So how should I deliver the sixth rather than the first?
Unlucky me then, isn't it? But I'm not having it.
So first of all, I can't tell if it's a skit because of the unnecessary yapping by the delivery guy. Secondly, there are few things that both the customers and delivery drivers need to understand. I have been working as a delivery driver for almost 5 years, and I would like to clarify a few things. So I would tell you that how the system works for both customers and for the delivery drivers. Mostly you see that on the app they tell you a few things when your order has been accepted by the restaurant, then when it is being prepared, then when it is ready, then when the delivery driver reaches there or reaches at the spot to pick up the order, and finally when he or she picks up the order. And then it shows you on the app that you can track the location of the driver. And sometimes it happens that they might get more than one deliveries because of the algorithm. And there is one more thing, that they have something called a performance scale for most of the delivery companies, that if the driver does not accept orders or does not pick up orders or decline for whatever reason, their performance goes down and it affects their work. So they have no other choice but to accept all the orders that system assigns them. Of course there are a few exceptions, but yeah, mostly that's how it works. It might be the case that your delivery driver is accepting more orders because they have to accept. that's a sure thing or that's a fact. And they might have sometimes 4, 5, or even up to 6 orders or even more. Depends on how much is the demand, which also depends on multiple factors. Sometimes the weather, sometimes during the lunch and dinner times, or it depends on multiple factors. And you can also check on your app that it indicates that the delivery driver is delivering earlier orders or other orders, and they would, you know, get to you after delivering those orders, because they cannot randomly decide by themselves to which order to deliver first. It depends on mostly the algorithm on which the apps are have been designed. Sometimes it also happens that a order that was picked first would have to be delivered at the end before the other orders that were even accepted later. So it all depends on the app. So now I also have like a few things for the delivery drivers, that in such cases, if the customer refuses to, accept the order for whatever reason, if it's late or they say it's damaged or whatever, you are not at the fault here, and you have some rights that you can contact the support and tell them that the customer is refusing to accept the order. So you do not have to, argue with them, and you can save yourself the embarrassment to beg them to take the order or whatever, because that's not your duty and that's not your fault either. And then it's between the customer and the customer support, and they would guide you what to do, and they would talk to the customer. If they convince the customer to take the order, they would happily accept the order, and if they can't convince the customer to take the order, they would tell you what to do. They would either tell you that you can keep the order and move to the next place, or they would ask you to take it back to the restaurant or to return the order, and they would pay you extra compensation for the for the distance. And this way, don't need to beg them to take the orders. And I find it really ridiculous, and it feels very embarrassing as well. And customers also need to take it into the considerations that delivery drivers are also hard workers, and they are also humans, and it's basically it's not their fault if the order is getting late, except for some reasons, like maybe if someone is doing it intentionally, they are wasting the time for whatever reason. But still, you can reach out to the customer support in those cases, and they are the one that will talk to the the delivery driver. So I hope you do better next time.